What are your salary expectations? This one question has made even the most confident candidates nervous. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to teach you the best possible way to answer this tricky interview question. So, if you have an interview coming up, whether it's for a job in finance, audit, consulting, or any other role, watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you the exact script you can use. And just very quickly, if you are new here, hi, myself Sweetie Chaudhary and I am on a mission to help you land your dream job in India or abroad. So please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. It really motivates me to make more content for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हम इसको आंसर कर सकते हैं with a sample answer. Let's first hear the sample answer that you can use directly in your interview. I'll explain the logic after this, but here's how you can say that. Before coming to this interview, I carried out research on the average salary range for this role in this industry. Based on reliable sources like Glassdoor and PaySchool, I found the average range is between £45,000 and £55,000 annually. While I believe I'm worth the higher end of the range, I also understand that I need to demonstrate my value first. So on that basis, I would be comfortable with a salary of around £52,000. I'm confident that at this level you will be very pleased with my work ethic, strategic thinking and the results I deliver, especially given my experience across UK, US and Indian markets. Now doesn't that sound confident, professional and respectful? फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने देखा कि कैसे हम इसको आंसर कर सकते हैं विद अ सैंपल आंसर. सो हम मूव करते हैं पार्ट नंबर 2 की तरफ, दैट इज टिप्स बिफोर यू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. सो मैं आपको देना चाहूंगी ऐसी 3 टिप्स जो आपको हेल्प करेंगी क्वेश्चन का आंसर करने में. सबसे पहली टिप है ऑलवेज रिसर्च द एवरेज सैलरी रेंज बिफोर यू वॉक इनटू एन इंटरव्यू. यू मस्ट नो व्हाट द मार्केट इज पेइंग. सो द बेस्ट वेबसाइट फॉर दिस आर payscale.com और glassdoor.com. सो अब आप इन वेबसाइट्स पे कैसे सैलरी रेंज चेक कर सकते हैं? यू जस्ट हैव टू एंटर योर जॉब टाइटल, लोकेशन एंड इंडस्ट्री एंड यू विल गेट अ सैलरी रेंज दैट्स रियलिस्टिक. तो अब एक एग्जांपल के साथ डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि आप कैसे चेक करेंगे इन वेबसाइट्स पे सैलरी रेंज. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ सीनियर फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट रोल इन लंडन, द रेंज माइट बी £45,000 to £60,000. But if you are in India for the same title, it might range from ₹10 lakh to ₹18 lakh per annum depending on the city and the company. अब नेक्स्ट टिप मैं देना चाहूंगी इज दैट एम स्लाइटली बिलो द हाईएस्ट नंबर. लेट्स से द रेंज इज बिटवीन £45,000 to £60,000. डोंट जस्ट से £60,000 straight up because that may seem arrogant. Instead go for a range between £56,000 to £57,000, a little below the top. अगर आप ऐसे प्रिपेयर करके जाओगे तो इंटरव्यूअर को लगेगा दैट यू हैव डन योर रिसर्च, यू आर रीजनेबल एंड यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर वर्थ. सो हम मूव करते हैं टिप नंबर 3 पे, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टिप, दैट इज जस्टिफाई व्हाई यू डिजर्व इट. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. डोंट जस्ट थ्रो अ नंबर बट इंस्टेड एक्सप्लेन व्हाई यू आर आस्किंग फॉर इट. For example, based on my 9 years of experience across 3 countries, managing global audit teams and leading client portfolios worth millions, I believe I can quickly adapt and start contributing from day one. So remember, your tone should be confident yet respectful, but not desperate and not even arrogant. So moving to part 3, final script to use in your interviews. Here's your updated exact script again. Feel free to pause and note this down. Before attending the interview today, I carried out research to understand the salary range for this role within the industry. The average range is between £45,000 and £55,000. While I believe my experience in international audit, process improvement and financial reporting justifies the higher end, I also understand that it's your call and it's my responsibility to prove my value first. On that basis, I would be comfortable with a salary of around £52,000 and I'm confident that my contribution will reflect positively on the company from very early on. So feel free to replace the numbers with your own research-based figures, whether you're applying in INR, USD, GBP or Euros. अब मूव करते हैं पार्ट 4 की तरफ, दैट इज व्हाट्स नॉट टू से. दैट इज आपको क्या नहीं बोलना है आंसर में. हियर्स व्हाट यू शुड अवॉइड व्हेन आंसरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. आई एम ओके विद एनीथिंग यू ऑफर. दिस साउंड्स अनप्रिपेयर्ड एंड पैसिव. आई एक्सपेक्ट द हाईएस्ट सैलरी यू कैन गिव. दिस माइट अपीयर एरोगेंट. माय लास्ट कंपनी पेड मी दिस मच अमाउंट सो आई वांट दिस मच अमाउंट. फोकस ऑन वैल्यू, नॉट जस्ट योर हिस्ट्री. Instead, you should show that you are market aware, performance driven and collaborative. Moving to next part, that is part number 5, what to do next. If you want to practice answering this question better, then you can watch my other videos where I have answered common interview questions there. Or if you are short on time, then you can download my full answer and questions PDF from the description below. These resources will help you sound confident and ready in every single round. That's it for today's video. I hope you now feel more prepared to answer the what are your salary expectations question. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel below. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and all the best for your interview. Go get the dream job. I am cheering for you.